a few shrooms, I forget where I'm at. Popping a tough little feel in the kick. Yep. Yeah. Turn the beat up a little bit. Yeah, okay, two friends and they both tens, looking nice. Too bent, I should call it quits, but I'm not. No chances, we all dance in the light. Tell me what's the odds, we can all get a bite. Okay, the last time we tried that, it didn't end well. Plus, you never know the story that they friends tell.
Join the live, guys. Join the live. Let's analyze gold.
In the DC with a chocolate bitch, little freak bitch, get geeked off erratic shit. So what you do? Shut the club up like so y'all can. Man, that's another shit. Paying child support through the government. Joint custody weekends, you can't touch it. I love this bitch. We gon' travel and fill up the bucket list. How about 10 kids on the ranch on some stuff? You mean sucker shit? Slaves to the pussy since you discovered it. 10 bands on Chanel purse, that's bad budgeting. Plus you niggas always together is mad smothering. You sipping over bitches.
Welcome to the live, guys.
Why you always mad? I just wanna have fun with it. The winters ain't bad when you cruising in the summer with two friends and they both tens, looking nice. Too bent, I should call it quits, but I'm not. No chances, we all dance in the light. Tell me what's the odds, we can all get a bite. Two friends and they both tens, looking nice.
How's it, Prince? Are you good?
No chances, we all dance in the light.
So guys, we're about to get started. We're gonna analyze gold. All I need you guys to do is just smash the like button, guys. Before we get started, just smash the like button and then we're gonna get started. This is a daily view on gold. This is what I see on the daily view on gold. But I'm gonna break it down and then we're gonna get into it, guys. Nice, Prince.
But I'm not. No chances, we all dance in the light. Tell me what's the odds, we can all.
Welcome to the live, guys. Smash the like button before we get started.
I should call it quits, but I'm not. No chances, we all dance in the light. Tell me what's the odds, we can all get a bite.
So this is a weekly view, guys. This is what I see on the weekly. So this is a long-term plan. It's a long-term plan.
It's like I've been smooth for so long, I'm trying to get rough. Fuck buffing my nails, dog, I'm trying to get buff. Fuck shaping my beard up, I'm liking the scruff. And fuck the hills, cause I'm living my life in the cut. Can't imagine that I'm gonna meet my wife in the club. We gon' see though, I feel like she more of a CEO. Or maybe she doing volunteer work in Rio. It's not like I need her, but I would love to meet her. Another day, another dollar, another phone with another feature. I don't play goalie behind my brother's keeper. Surrounded by family, I'm not with other people. They say I got my pops demeanor and mother's features. The garden still.
Yeah, gold was gonna buy, we did buy. Look at this.
Cause I promise you I'm honestly better than whoever came to your head right then. They ain't cut from the same thread like him. They don't study doing work to get ahead like him.
21st, buy gold. SLTPs. So we bought it there. We bought gold there. Now we're going up with gold. We're gonna look for another entry on Monday. This was Friday, so we were deep in profits. This is where we started buying gold. I'm gonna show you. That's where we started buying gold. So Monday we're also gonna look for another buy entry on gold on Monday. Nice guys. So we're gonna get started, guys. I'm still analyzing gold. Let's see what's gonna happen this week. We can only know when we analyze the market and see what's gonna go on, guys. So this is a daily view. This is what I see on gold on a daily view time frame, guys. So I'm gonna turn down the music, then we're gonna get started. So what do I see on the daily, guys? I see that gold is still on a downtrend on the daily. You can see that gold is busy still making its lower lows and lower highs. It's on a downtrend. It's trending downwards. Higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it's trending downwards, guys. But now we are scalping a buy. I am in a buy position, and on Monday I'm also looking for another buy position until my TP2. On Thursday we managed to hit our TP1, which was set at, let me just check quickly. So this was on Thursday when I sent out the buy. You see, 21st was on Thursday. This is my private signal group, guys. So I sent out a buy signal, the SL and the TP. So we hit TP1. We're done with this one. TP1, we are done with this one. So we're waiting now to hit our TP2. But we're going to look for another buy entry on Monday. On Friday, I told them once we break this resistance, we're going to look for a retest and then we're going to enter a buy. So I wanted price to break this resistance zone and then come back and retest before we enter a buy, right? So that was on Friday. So you can see now here, it broke. So price was here. You can see it broke that resistance zone, came back to retest. So on Monday, we're going to be looking for a buy entry, guys. This is what I see. So guys, let's analyze the market. Let's get into it. That big time sell is coming, guys, but we still have to hit our TP2. Once we hit our TP2, we're going to be planning the next trade. So this is a daily view, guys. Let's zoom in and see what's going on. So you can see price is busy rejecting here at this resistance zone over here. You can see it rejected here the first time, the second time, and the third time it left a wick here on this resistance zone over here, right? So you can see price is busy rejecting here on this zone. And price is on a downtrend. This is what I see on the daily. But now let's break it down. Let's go down to H4. So this is the H4 time frame, guys. So I was able to catch that trade on Thursday because what I saw was a inverted head and shoulder forming over here. You guys can see it. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and here's your right shoulder. So we managed to capture buys from here on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday when I sent out that signal. It was a buy from here. I'm still holding those buys because we hit our TP1, but we still haven't hit our TP2. Our TP is set at this point. Our TP2 is set at this point, guys. TP1 was set here. So we hit TP1. Now we're going to look for another buy entry and then we're going to move up with gold to hit now our TP2. This is gold, guys. This is gold that I'm analyzing over here. This is a 4-hour time frame. This is gold. So what I see is an inverted head and shoulder pattern over here. That's why I was able to capture this buy over here and move up with gold. So on Monday, I'm also going to look for another buy. Why am I going to look for another buy? Let's zoom in. I'm going to show you. So you can see that price here broke this resistance area, which was over here. It broke this resistance area. Now it's trading above. So now it's going to come back and retest this broken resistance, which is now your support area. So once we come down, we're going to buy and we're going to move up with gold. This is H4 time frame, guys. This is the H4 time frame. So we already hit TP1, which was set here at 1927. We bought it here. We hit TP1, which was at 1927. Now we want to hit TP2, which is at 1934. Okay. So guys, this is a H4 time frame. I'm going down to a lower time frame now, which is a H1.
Coming to the rescue. Any pretty lady I attend to. In the drop top, I'm a lipstick.
So this is H1 time frame, guys. Where do you access the recorded lives? The recorded lives, I have to post them for you to access the recorded lives. So guys, what I'm looking for on Monday, guys, we can see now I'm on the lower time frame. Let me zoom out so you can see. I'm on a lower time frame. You can see price broke above this resistance area over here. It broke above, hit our TP1, and then look what price did. It came back now to retest now the broken resistance area, which is now our new support area, guys. So over here, you can see prices on support over here. On Monday, I'm looking for buys at this point, guys. I'm looking for buys up to my TP2, which is over here. So this is what I'm looking at for Monday. It's Sunday today, it's no time for piano. So yeah, guys, we're still on that H1 time frame.
All my voices a mystery, but they always trying to diss me. Same guys trying to get in my way. Keep the same vibe, you can ruin my day. All my voices a mystery, ride the wave of my history. I've been distant to keep my distance. Goodbye to evolving life. I like to seek, but I'm never inside. Even though my time's alright, I like to care, but it never reach five. Swinging my ways like it never did say. And then I roll like I really get baked. And you can't believe what you heard about me. It's the magic for me. They keep trying to reach me, yeah, yeah. It's the magic for me. I make them weak till they run insane. So get me lit on a weekday. I'm on the way, I'm waves on the display. And I'ma shut them all down on these days. It's my time, so put me on a replay. Oh, this girl, why did they say they won't try me? Oh, this girl, why they wanna come find me? Oh, this girl, why they say they won't break? Oh, this girl, why they say they won't try? Oh, this girl, why they say they won't break it? Oh, this girl, why they say they won't take it? Oh, this girl, why they say they won't buy me? Oh, this girl,
I'm going to explain what I'm doing here now, guys. I'm going to explain what I'm doing here now. I just want to show you something. Let's get it, guys. So what I see here, you can see that price is on support over here, right? You can see there's the resistance area over there because it's been rejected the first time, rejected the second time, and the third time, you see. So this is a zone over here. You can see that's a resistance area. You can see it was previously a support area. You can see it was support, you see. That was support over there, and then price came up, and then what happened here? It broke now the support area. So as soon as it broke the support area, now that became now your new resistance area. So you see it rejected the first time, rejected the second time, and the third time. But look what's going on over here. You can see here it was a previous support, and here it's also support area. So over here, I'm going to be looking for buys. At this point exactly, I'm going to be looking for buys on Monday, and then I'm going to be moving up with the market. Soon as we break now this resistance area over here, it's going to come back down and retest that area, meaning that so Monday we're going to capture a buy, meaning that Tuesday we're also going to capture a buy over here. Once we break now that resistance area and it comes back down to retest, we're going to look for another buy entry, guys. So that's what I see on gold, guys. It's going to be a very profitable week this week. I can see it already. So we're going to have something that looks like that. So Monday, I'm sending out a buy signal. You can see it's it broke resistance. It came back to retest now. A broken resistance, which is now your new support area. You see it's rejecting over here. It's gonna come up, boom. Once we break this resistance area over here, it's gonna come back down to retest, and I'm gonna look for another buy entry at this point. Let me fix this. At this point, I'm gonna look for another buy entry. So I'm gonna have a setup like this again. So I'm showing you now the plan of the week. I'm showing you the plan of what's happening this week. Do you have a Telegram channel? Yes, I do have a Telegram channel. If you guys want to join my private signal group, guys, if you guys want to be updated with the market, want proper quality signals, here is my number, guys. You should take down my number. I had it up here now, but like, don't know, probably disappeared. Here's it here. So if you guys want to join my private signal group, you guys should WhatsApp me on that number. You guys should screenshot that number or take it down. But that's my number, guys. I do have a private channel, which is on Telegram. Here's it right here. This is my private channel on Telegram, guys. This is where I send out all the signals. This is where I send out all the signals. So that signal that I showed you guys was sent on... How do you know exactly what it's going to do? It's because I analyze the charts, bro. I read price action. Price action tells me exactly what's going on with the market. I read price action. So, guys, this is a signal that I sent out. When did I send it out? On Thursday. On Thursday, I sent out this signal. Well, I sent out two signals on Thursday. First, it was a scalp. We scalped a buy. I sent out this signal. We scalped a buy over here. I said buy. It was on the 21st. Look at the time. You see? 25 past 11. That's when I sent out the signal. And the SL and the TPs. So gold was in profits. I told them, guys, lock profits. If the price takes us out, we're going to look for a better entry. You see? So price shot up. It was in profits. We collected profits. And then we locked profits. You see? There's my SL. There's my SL. We locked profits. You see, I told them, guys, if price takes us out, we're going to look for a better entry. Why? Because we had news on Thursday. We had high impact news on Thursday at 2:30. So price did take us out while thing was locked, while price was locked. So I waited for news, and then after news, I sent out a new signal. So after the news was at 2:30. So after I got the result of the news, I sent out the signal again. Buy gold, sent out the SL, sent out TP1 and TP2. We already done with TP1 because we hit TP1 already. Now we're going to hit TP2. That's what I'm focused on Monday, you see. So this was on Friday when I told them, guys, I'm waiting for the price to break now the resistance area. Once we come back down to retest that broken resistance, now support, we're going to buy it again up to our TP2. You see that? So that's what I sent out on Friday. But guys, price was a bit slow on Friday. It took long to break resistance area, but it did break the resistance area. You see, it broke the resistance area and it did exactly what I said it's going to do. It's going to come back down and retest, and then we're going to buy, right? But look the time. The time was at 8 already, so I didn't send out a signal. I told them, guys, let's just carry on Monday. I told them, guys, let's just carry on Monday because the market is going to close. There's no point in trading at 8 o'clock, guys. Because now if you trade 8 o'clock, you're going to have to hold your trade till Monday. So it's better getting a proper entry on Monday. So that's what I'm going to do for the people in the signal group, guys. This is my private signal group over here. So I even sent them an update at 11 when I was busy checking because I'm always on the charts, guys. Even when I'm bored, when I'm sitting and I'm bored, I look at the charts. Here I was bored. It was 11. I was bored, but I sent the signal. Well, not a signal, but my plan on what I'm planning to do on Monday. You see? So that's my private signal group, guys. If you want to be a part of that private signal group, you need to WhatsApp me on that number. That's the number you need to WhatsApp me on. Guys, to join the Signal group, it's very affordable. It's only 500 Rand to join the Signal group for 2 months of quality signals, guys. Tomorrow must be Heritage of Payday. Definitely. We are in profits. We just need to now hit that TP2. Once we hit that TP2, I'm gonna plan the next trade, guys. I'm gonna plan the next trade. Sorry about that. Let me use the mouse rather. So this is still the daily view. I just want to measure it now with the Fibonacci. I want to see where price is at right now. So when I pull out the Fibonacci tool, I know Beast is very familiar with this Fibonacci tool. And I'm sure there's a whole lot of traders, guys. Guys, if you're not familiar with the Fibonacci tool, just familiarize yourself with it, because this thing is very important, guys. You can see it rejected there by the 61 area. It left a wick there by the 61 area over there. Boom, it left a wick, and it's still below the, you see here it was support, and now it's resistance over here. Wait, let me remove this fib. You see that was support, it rejected over here. It left a wick. So now we're just scalping some buys over here, and then we're going to probably look for a sell. But I'm waiting now to hit that TP2. I'm going down to my lower time frames again. Definitely, from tomorrow, definitely. We started already. We started Thursday already by capturing this beautiful buy. On Monday, we're going to capture another buy over here, and we're going to hit our TP2. Reason why, look here, it was support. This is H4 time frame. So you can see that it broke a support area over here. Price broke that support area, and I told the guys in the Signal group, it has to break, find new resistance. When it finds that new resistance, it's going to come back down to retest now broken support, which is now your new broken resistance, which is now your new support, guys. So price did that already. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can see it for yourself. There's support. It broke. Price broke and came up, and then it's coming down now to retest. Once it comes down to retest, guys, we're going to get that buy, and we're going to move up with gold. So now this is H4. I'm going to my H1 again.
Daddy, my mommy's watching you doing your work.
Oh, yeah, I know. Alright,
Hi,
wait.
Mama's flash.
Yeah, wait, I'm still busy. Wait, just give me some time. I'm just gonna work quickly, and I'll come join you now. Yeah, they're waiting on me to analyze the charts. Come.
Oh, but they did probably see me.
No, they can't see you.
They can't see me?
No, they can't see you.
Why?
Because I'm busy there. Okay, boy, I'm gonna join you now, okay? I'm not gonna be long. Alright? They can't, because they can't even see me. Right, sorry about that, guys. Little one was checking on me. So, guys, this is H1 time frame that I'm on here, guys. This is the H1 time frame. Daddy's making money, Dada. Yeah, guys, this is H1 time frame that I'm on now. So I showed you guys that H4 time frame. I showed you that price broke the resistance area over here. It even broke. You see over here there was a resistance area over here. It broke and it came back to retest. Let me show you guys. You have to read the candles as well. You have to focus on all the moves. You can see here it retested and then it went up here. Don't know if you can see that, but here it was resistance over here. It was support over here, guys, and then here it was resistance. That's why we have a wick over here, because price came back to retest and then it rejected. Can you see? But what price did now, it carried on going up, and then it broke now that resistance area that was over here, retested a little, and then it went up. Can you see? It went up now to find the new resistance over here. So price came back now to retest broken resistance, which is now your new support area, guys. Keep that in mind. So now what we're looking for over here, price is on support. We're going to be looking for buys on Monday. We're going to be looking for buys at this point. I want price to go up now and break this resistance area. Once we break this zone over here, price is going to go up, and then it's going to come back down to retest now that area, and then we're going to look for another buy at this point, and then it's going to shoot up to our TP2, which is here at 1934. We already hit our TP1, guys, which was over here at 1927. So guys, we focused. We're going to make a bag this coming week. Definitely. So here, this is where I'm going to get my final TP, which is TP2. Because over here, I see now a new move that's going to be happening. But I want to wait for the market. I want to take it step by step. But over here, I'm seeing sell on the zone. I'm seeing a sell here on the zone. Once we get to this zone, hit our TP2, I just need to now analyze again and check what's gonna go on. So guys, this is what I see. Monday, this is what I see. Guys, you can screenshot it, take it down. I'm plugging you guys. What's going on now? Staying alive, I'm staying alive, I'm staying alive, I'm staying alive, for real. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the higher time frame now. I want to explain what I see over here, because now over here I see a sell zone. Once we reach this resistance area over here, I see a left shoulder, I see a head over here. There's a possibility there's a right shoulder that's going to be formed over here, but I have to wait for confirmation, guys. I have to wait for confirmation. But right now, we're going to take it step by step. We're going to focus on these buys. We're going to focus on these buys. And then once we're here, we're going to plan the next trade. So I can see a buy on Monday. I don't know if we're going to break this resistance zone on Monday. But if we do and come back to retest, we might get another entry on Monday. But if not, we're going to get it on Tuesday. On Tuesday. And then we buy it up now to our TP2. And then Thursday, surely now we're going to be looking at this area. What's going to be going on at this area. If we see a sell at this area, then we're going to be selling it down. Meaning we're going to be swinging it. Because the long-term trend with gold is a downtrend. This, we're just scalping some buys. I'm going to flip through my higher time frame so you can see now the long-term view. So guys, if you want to be part of the Signal group, there's the number. You guys need to WhatsApp me on that number. There's it there as well. For international people, there's the number that you need to use, guys. You can WhatsApp me on that number. My assistant will help you out and you'll be part of the winning team, guys. So you can see this is the higher time frame now. You can see that gold is on a downtrend. Wait, let me go to an even higher time frame so I can explain properly. So now this is a weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame. So what do you see on the weekly time frame? You can see that market is busy consolidating, guys. It's consolidating. It's moving sideways. There's your big resistance area over there. You can see it rejected the first time, rejected the second time, and the third time over here. And it broke now the trend line. You can see there's a trend line it broke over here, came back to retest. So now I see gold for the long term coming down at least to this support area. And then it's going to bounce, obviously. It's going to come up and then it's going to drop again to this area over here. Why do I say that? Because I see now an inverted head and shoulder busy forming over here. Here's your left shoulder over here, guys. And here's your head over here. and then we're going to be forming a right shoulder over here, and then we're going to be moving up with gold. This is a long-term view, but now I'm just showing you guys. I want you guys to understand why I have this sell bias on gold, because now I see on the higher time frames it's showing me that, guys, we're going to be going down. So anyway, guys, this is a weekly time frame. I'm going now to my daily time frame. So here is my daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see there's that big resistance area over there. Here it gave us a double top and it started trending down. You see, another reason why I'll be selling is because you can see here's a trend line over here that was guiding now this uptrend. But over here it broke trend line, came back to retest, and it came down again. So what price is doing at the moment, here's a higher high, it gives you a lower high, a lower low, I mean, over here, and then a lower high. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. So here, this is that big resistance area that I was talking about. It gave us a double top formation over here, which is our reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern that formed over here. First rejection, second rejection. There is your support area, which is also your neckline. You can see price broke neckline, came back to retest and rejected. So what's happening over here? Price, this is a higher high, and then it makes a higher low, lower low, and then a higher low, because this point is not higher than this point. So this is a higher low, and then it makes another lower low, and then it makes another higher low, because this point is not higher than this point over here, and then it makes another lower low, and then an equal high, because now there's a price rejected over here. Now let's zoom in what's happening over here. You see, now it's busy rejecting here on this resistance area over here. Rejected the first time, the second time, and on the third time it rejected, it left a wick. You see, there's no candles over here. It left a wick. You see, there's a wick over there. So let's zoom in, guys. I'm going down to a lower time frame now, which is H4. So on H4, I'm busy scalping some buys over here because I saw an inverted head and shoulder busy forming over here. I caught a buy over here, so I'm moving up with the market till this point. You can see here's that resistance area, that third rejection that it left. You see this wick over here? This is what you call a stop hunt. Unfortunately, guys, these things happen sometimes. These stop hunts will just take you out, like they'll take you out before price goes down. Imagine if you were selling at this point, you would have got a good entry coming down, but look here, price spiked up. This was on, I think this happened on Monday. There wasn't even news on Monday, but this was a stop hunt that took people out before price came back down again. You can see price is not trending or trading above this point over here. These candles over here, they closed in between here. They didn't close above. There's no candle that closed above because there's an engulfing up and engulfing down. It's in between. It's a stop hunt. So price is still below this resistance area. So that's why I'll be buying it up till this point over here, because I can see it was a previous resistance area over here. So I'll treat that now as my right shoulder. You see, so now I'm looking now at a head and shoulder pattern, which here is your left shoulder, here is your head. It will be forming now the right shoulder. So once price is over here, guys, I'll be planning the next trade. But we're gonna take it step by step. We're gonna take it from Monday, Tuesday, and then we're gonna get there. Then we're gonna plan the next trade. This is H4 time frame, guys. I'm gonna go to my H1. I hope you guys understand what I'm explaining, because I'm going over it over and over again so you guys can understand exactly what I'm talking about. So this is where we bought on Thursday. We bought here. We already hit our TP1, which was at 1927, which was over here. So what we need to do now is hit our TP2. Where is our TP2? It's there at 1934. So on Monday, I'm gonna be looking prices here at support. Now you can see there's a double top, a double bottom, 1, 2. You can see it broke this resistance. It's trading above resistance. So now this is your support area. I'll be looking for buys over here. Once we break this resistance area, I'll be looking for another buy. Once we retest up to our TP2, guys. So guys, the market is planned out. The market is planned out. I know you guys understand what I'm busy explaining here because I'm going over and over again. I'm sure you guys understand. So guys, if you want to be part of my signal group, guys, you want to be part of that winning team, there's the number to WhatsApp. You need to WhatsApp me on that number. You don't know how to trade. Oh wow, that's interesting. That's brave coming from you. So yeah, guys, this is the private signal group right here. This is a private signal group right here. This is the buy signal that I sent out on Monday. I mean on Thursday. Buy, there's the SLs and everything. So we caught the buy over here. We already hit our TP1. Now we're going to hit our TP3. Bro, I analyze price action. I'm busy with price action. You can see there's a signal that I sent out that I'm in profits with. I sent it out on Thursday. I'm in profits. So what do you mean? What confidence and things, bro? I'm in profits already. I'm just now going to capitalize and make more money. You read price action. I'm not sucking things out of my thumb here. This is price action that I'm reading. If you know how to trade, you will know what I'm talking about. If you don't believe me, take a screenshot of this and check it out for yourself. What's going to happen? Check it out for yourself. If you don't believe me, take a screenshot and check it out for yourself. That's why I'm on here analyzing, guys. You guys can check it out for yourselves. Please analyze NAS. I don't trade NAS, bro. I only trade gold. I'm a gold trader, focused on gold. Guys, this is what I'm doing over here. This is technical analysis. It's technical analysis, and I'm also reading price action. I also focus on my fundamentals, which is also focusing on the news, because when you're trading gold, you also have to focus on the news. What's happening to the USD? You have to know what's happening to the USD. You see, on Monday, there's no major impact on what you call it, on the USD. On Tuesday, I think we also have news here. On Tuesday, we have news at 4 p.m. This is news at 4 p.m. High impact news, guys. You can see medium impact news, but I'm usually focused on this high impact news. So on on Tuesday, we're gonna trade after the news hits, because I have to see the result of the USD. Then we're gonna trade according accordingly, guys, accordingly to the fundamentals and our technical analysis. So guys, I don't know who's this guy talking here, bro. I focus on everything, bro. Yes, I do include fundamentals because I pay attention. I pay attention to fundamentals. On Thursday, this is how I caught this trade. I'm gonna show you. Thursday was the 14th. We had news. I think at half past. Look here. This was on Thursday, on the 14th of September. It was half 2. Can you see at half 2 we had high impact news. So look at my signal group. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. So on that Thursday, you see, on the 21st, on Thursday, I say, guys, there's high impact news. Can you see? So I told them we're only going to trade after now the news. You see, there was 2 minutes left. And then when I saw the result of the news, which came out at half 2, you see, 1 minute after that, I sent out a signal. Buy gold. I sent out the SL. I sent out TP1 and TP2. We already hit TP1. Now we're going to hit TP2. That's what we're focusing on. I want gold to hit TP2. You see? This was on Friday. You see? So guys, we're holding buys already. We're holding buys already. So price is on support. Now it's going to buy again at this point. Up to now our TP2. So guys, I don't just analyze the charts. I also base it on my fundamentals. Fundamentals are also important, guys. No problem, bro. No problem. That's why I'm here analyzing, guys. I'm analyzing for you guys to see exactly what's going on with gold. So with me, guys, I also show you results in my signal group for especially people who are doubting and anything. I flip through my signal group and I show you guys results, because some other traders will come here and talk, but they don't even show results, you see. So when there's people who are doubting me, I flip through my signal group and I show you results. You see? That's what I do, because I want to be different from all these guys that are busy talking. I want to show you guys results. So guys, if you want to be part of that winning team, want to be part of my signal group, you guys can WhatsApp me on that number. You guys can WhatsApp me on that number. That's the number to WhatsApp, guys. My long-term view on gold is we're coming down. We're still coming down. You can see here, it was support here at this point over here. You can see when you look left, it was support over here. Here's your support area over here. It also rejected over here and over here as well. You see, that's why it's going up. But long-term bias, guys, I think gold is going to come down. It's doing its lower lows and everything. And on my MT5, there's a big gap over here actually. Let me go there. You see, that's very concerning for me, because that's liquidity over there. That gap has to close. There's an open gap over here. This is a daily time frame. There's a gap over here. You see that gap? There's a gap over there, guys. You see where price is here? Price has to come down at some point and close this gap. This gap has to close over here. Where's that gap here on the daily? I mean on this trading view? That gap, I see it over here at this point. That's why I think price is going to come down some point and come down and retest this support area, which is over here. So guys, I'm giving you guys some ideas, checking out the charts, we're analyzing together, guys. I hope you guys understood what I was analyzing. If you don't, guys, just join the Signal group. Just join the Signal group, guys. Make sure you join the Signal group. The Signal group is very affordable. It's only 500 Rand to join the Signal group for 2 months of quality signals. So basically, you'll be in my Signal group for 2 months. You'll be on the Signal group for 2 months. You see? So guys, I'm gonna join you guys a bit later again. I'll definitely go on the live again, and then we're gonna analyze together. Even tomorrow when I'm trading, I'm gonna go on the live and then we're gonna trade together, guys. You see, now every time I trade the market, I first go on the live on the weekend, we analyze together, and then on Monday we kill it together. To join the Signal group, guys, it's very affordable, guys. It's only 500 Rand to join the Signal group for 2 months of quality signals, guys. You'll be in the Signal group for 2 months. It's only 500 Rand. So guys, thank you guys for joining my live. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys picked up some few nuggets, and I hope you guys have a profitable week coming Monday, guys, please. So guys, thank you for joining my live, guys. I will see you guys a little bit later. Usually guys are offering 800 for 1 month. Yeah, guys, some people are offering ridiculous prices, guys. I know traders are struggling, guys. Traders like blowing their accounts. I'm trying to help you guys now grow your accounts. So to join the Signal group is only 500 Rand to join the Signal group for 2 months of quality signals, guys. And thank you for joining my live. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys later. Guys, take down that number if you want to be part of that Signal group. We have learned a lot from you. Thank you. I always give out this knowledge. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you, bro. Alright, guys. See you later. Enjoy your Sunday. And apologies if came across as trolling. No problem, bro. No problem. Just make sure you follow me and listen to me and look at what I'm doing. Then maybe you'll have a better understanding of who I am. You see? So thank you, bro. No problem.